Honda best motorcycle brands. Whether you want speed, looks, comfort or thrill, every motorcycle community can appreciate a reliable motorcycle. The most reliable motorcycles will keep you smiling on the road longer without causing headaches for you or your wallet. So what is the most reliable motorcycle brand out there? Unfortunately, reliability is difficult to assess. Which motorcycle is more reliable? A motorcycle that can be damaged but is very easy to repair, or a motorcycle that will run forever but cannot be erased when it breaks? What is more important for a reliable motorcycle? Ease of maintenance, maintenance intervals or cheap parts? And then there's the fact that many of its weaknesses and strengths will only come to light after decades of use. Older models will earn a reputation for reliability, but new motorcycles will be harder to judge. With that said, we'll cover all of these factors below as we rank the most reliable motorcycle brands for new and used bikes. Choose a reliable motorcycle brand. What is generally true for a brand may not be true for every motorcycle they make. Use this list as a guide to buying a reliable motorcycle, but the most reliable motorcycles may vary depending on the make and year. Brands can change over time, and previous owners may have had a poor maintenance record for their bikes. All of these can affect whether a particular bike is reliable. As we share our insights into the reliability of these brands, we will also show them their results from the Consumer Report 2015 survey. The score represents the percentage of users who experienced problems with their motorcycles in the first 4 years while riding without a service contract. The lower the number, the better. Honda. No surprises here, the Japanese Big Four continue to dominate the top of the motorcycle reliability rankings with Honda. Not only are Honda's bikes reliable, they're also long-lasting. One of their most popular lines, the Goldwing, is beloved by riders for its well-engineered and long-lasting engine. It's common to see models from the 1980s still on the road today. Honda owes its success to the same broad engineering expertise that put Yamaha at the top of the list. By manufacturing maritime and other engines, they have a broad range of experience and manufacturing capabilities that ensure top-notch build quality and reliability. Consumer Reports score, 12%. Maintenance of your motorcycle. It doesn't matter how reliable your bike is, if you treat it badly, it will fail faster than it should. Careful and loving care will keep even the most temperamental of machines running smoothly. Here are some tips for caring for your motorcycle. 1. RTFM, read friendly manuals. We're serious, get your bike's service manual and familiarize yourself with it. It will tell you service intervals, how to perform most basic and intermediate maintenance tasks, and how to troubleshoot specific problems. 2. Take care, knowing the service intervals is half the battle, the other half follows suit. If you're not a fat monkey, look at it this way, following simpler motorcycle maintenance tasks is what saves you from having to do complex and expensive repairs on your bike. An oil change is much easier than changing a piston. 3. Ride conservatively. This one may be a bitter pill to swallow depending on how and why you cycle. The quieter you ride, the less wear and tear on your bike, especially the engine. Consider your repair bill before taking off like a drag racer at every red light. Conclusion: if motorcycle reliability is important to you, then this list is a great place to start. However, that should only be the beginning. Make sure you research the model you are interested in. Even models known for their reliability can endure bad years, which you should avoid. Other models may have specific recurring issues, and it's up to you to decide if those issues are enough to deter you. For new bikes, brand reputation is key. It's rare for a new bike to have so many problems that it was reported the same year it was released. However, you can talk to your dealer and find out if there are any parts that have been reused from older models. If it does, then there will probably be information available about whether the part survives. Happy hunting!